Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the measure of central tendency, and we're going to calculate the measure of central tendency using Python. So basically, in order to calculate the measure of central tendency, the first thing that we need to do is we need to import our libraries of import NumPy as NP that calculates your numeric components. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT that visualizes your data, and from SciPy import stats. That's the statistical section of the SciPy library. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to get our example data. So data is a list of numbers. And then we want to calculate measures of central tendency. So mean equals np.mean data. That means mean is from the NumPy library, and it's going to take all the data and it's going to calculate the average of the data. Then you're going to calculate median equals np.median data. And then what the median does is the median calculates the center of the data. So if the list of data, if the list of numbers is odd numbered, then what it will do is it will just take the middle number. But if the list of numbers is even numbered, then what it will do is it will take the two middle numbers, add them together, and then divide by 2, and that will be your median. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the mode, which is stats.mode data 0. So you remember in Python, the numbering system starts with 0. So what you're doing is you're calculating the frequency of all of the numbers in the data set, and the number that occurs most frequent is your mode. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plot a histogram of the numbers. So we're going to use matplotlib to do that. plt.hist brackets data, comma, bins equals 15, comma, color equals sky blue, comma, edge color equals black, comma, alpha equals 0.7. And then we're going to plot the measures of the central tendency. So you've got the plt.axv line, brackets mean, comma, color equals red, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2, comma, label equals mean. And then we've got the medium line, plt.axv line, brackets median, comma, color equals green, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2, comma, label equals median. And then we've got our mode line, so plt.axv line, brackets mode, comma, color equals blue, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 2, comma, label equals mode. And then so now what we do is we plot the titles and the labels. So the title is measures of central tendency, the X label is value, the Y label is frequency, and then we're going to have a legend, and then we're going to display the chart. So this is the chart that we have displayed. So you can see the measure of central tendency. The x-axis is values, the y-axis is frequency. So the higher the frequency, the number of occurrences. So your mean is 15.53, your median is 15, and your mode is 14. So that means the mode occurs more than anything else. And your median is the center, and the mean is the average. So that concludes this video on the measures of central tendency. So the next video I make is going to be talking more about descriptive statistics. So thank you for watching.